Hello, y'all. This is Tara DZ coming back at you with another guest room tour, this time from the Celeste Hotel on the UCF campus. So I'm going to read right off of the pamphlet that I got from the lobby. It says, the Celeste Hotel is a tribute portfolio hotel on the campus of UCF. Inspired by the stars, come experience our first-class hospitality, our out-of-this-world atmosphere, and fine food.
Oh, wow.
So I did arrive last night, and we did order room service, me and my mom, and the food was excellent, definitely out of this world. Everything is celestial, galaxy themed, and it's very modern, boutique type experience. This hotel did open in 2020. And I am a little bit biased because I did graduate from this University of Central Florida in 2014. So I am a proud alumni and I am stoked to stay at this hotel. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys around the room. Okay, so this is our entrance door, and I just love this little do not disturb sign here. It's pretty unique, good with the theming, says give me space. If we move to our left here, there's a nice full-size mirror. That's nice for getting ready and checking out your outfit and everything. And then if we look to our left again here, we actually have a nice chest of drawers, as well as a book for Hubble's Universe Greatest Discoveries and Latest Images. So it's nice to look through, flip through. It's like a little coffee table book. My sister would love that, so I said she has to come visit me to check it out. And then we have a rocket ship here as well. Nice, going with the theming as well. And then if we move over this way, we have a nice sized closet. I actually packed all of my suitcases and luggage in there so you can kind of see how much space it has. So we do have 2 large suitcases stored here, as well as 1 medium suitcase, 1 small suitcase, and 2 backpacks, and my shopping bags as well. So you can see there's plenty of space here. If you really don't want to take up too much room with your luggage, stowing it away, it's nice to keep it in here. There's also a safety deposit box, plenty of hangers to hang up your garments. There's a steamer in here and a dry cleaning bag if you'd like to get any dry cleaning done. There's a quick peek at some of the prices. Okay, if we close this door here, we have a nice sliding door here for the bathroom. And this is our bathroom countertop with some nice, fluffy, luxurious towels that were actually super comfortable, felt super high quality. I love the design on this countertop. It's so beautiful, and definitely goes with the space theme. And let me tell you about these toiletries. So normally I do not like hotel toiletries. I actually bring my own most of the time, but I have been using these because they just smell so good, are very luxurious and rich, and just great quality. I would buy these for my home guest rooms if I can hunt them down. So the brand is Beekman 1801. There is the hand soap and the lotion in the fresh air scent. It's just a very light, airy scent that kind of almost smells like a simple perfume. Like even when you put it on, it just smells great. Okay, and so we have a large mirror here with a nice lighting so that you can get ready really easily, especially with this close-up mirror for makeup. And it has a little area here you can kind of toggle it around. We also have some Kleenex here and a little hidden area for some feminine products, cotton swabs, and small things like that. We have 1 little towel hanger here. And then we also have the Commode. I just love this wallpaper. It goes nicely with the theming and it's just beautiful. It's gorgeous. And then we get to the shower. So the shower has beautiful tile work as well and an interesting drain. I actually have not seen a drain like this, but that's actually pretty cool, very innovative. And then we do have those same toiletries that I was mentioning, the same brand from on the counter. Beekman 1801 for shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Very good, and I will be using these throughout my stay because they just smell so divine. And then we do have our removable or handheld shower head, and then the shower head up there. Nice luxurious shower vibes. Okay, and then if we come out here, you can see there's plenty of room here, I would say, for if you do have multiple people staying here. You can either put your suitcase here, or maybe there's a room for a little bed here. Just like a nice breathing area. I feel like this isn't a very cramped place. It almost feels like a studio apartment. So we have the king size bed here with some nightstand tables. And what's cool about these lights is you can turn them off through this little button here. There's also USB ports, 2 of them here, and then a regular charging port here. A really cool UBL alarm clock. And then kind of looking like the moon, just a very unique design, and I love it for these nightstands. And then if we look up, there's some nice artwork. I really love this one. I'm going through a phase. How cute is that? And then on the other side, we have the same thing minus the alarm clock. Nice area to charge your phone and any other electronics you might have with that same button. There's even 2 charging ports right here as well. Okay, and then we have a recycling and trash bin. We have a phone to call the front desk if you need. They did provide hand sanitizing wipes, which I really appreciated when I was eating here this morning. And then they do have a little social media cube here, as well as to scan for menus for wine, for lunch and dinner, for cocktails and happy hour, for breakfast. And yeah, we actually did take advantage of dinner and breakfast here, and it was delicious. Would highly recommend. Nice size TV up here, and a little very comfy chair that I want to bring home with me, and a light here as well. And then there is this nice patio that I was not expecting in having a balcony out here, but there is a chair here for lounging, a little table set up there, a view of the pool, and it expands. It's a very nice size balcony. You can kind of see the pool from here. I definitely want to check that out before I leave. And then you can see the campus. Actually, you can enter into the campus through where those cars are all moving through. So I definitely want to check out the campus while I'm here to my old stomping grounds. So very excited to be here. We do also have a little coffee station here, which I actually have taken advantage of. And I did call down to the front desk to ask for more cream and sugar and cups and more coffee pods because, you know, I need my coffee. And then more nice artwork here of the stars and your AC here, which I like to keep it pretty cool. And yeah, that's it. I'm very excited to be staying here for 3 nights and just relax in this very chic, beautiful environment.
Special thanks to the Celeste Orlando for the wonderful accommodations, the Aurora at the Celeste for the delicious food, my sister Sita for coming into town and enjoying this weekend with me, and our bartender Chris at the Celeste for definitely entertaining us and making delicious craft drinks, as well as the live entertainment that was amazing to listen to by Liveheart, and they are all tagged below. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, a like, a comment, and make sure to subscribe. So this is Tara DZ telling you to take it easy. Bye for now.